Hey everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to unblock someone on hi5. So let's get started. Begin by launching your hi5 application. Now tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the gear icon. Now tap on Block Users option, which is under Accounts. Select the person that you would like to unblock. And then tap on the Delete icon at the top right corner of your screen. If you are sure, tap on the Unblock option. And this is how you can unblock someone on hi5. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.